Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hey there, bakers. In this video, I will show you how to make delicious brownie cupcakes. Let's get started by gathering our ingredients. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. We'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Also, grab 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder and a pinch of salt. This simple list will create amazing treats. Now let's mix our brownie batter. First, melt your butter and combine it with the granulated sugar in a large bowl, stirring until smooth. Next, whisk in the 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. In a separate bowl, sift together the 1 cup of flour, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. Finally, gradually add these dry ingredients to your wet mixture, mixing gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. It's time to bake our perfect brownie cupcakes. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's heating, line a standard 12-cup muffin tin with paper liners. Carefully spoon your delicious brownie batter into each liner, filling them about 2/3 full. This ensures they have room to rise beautifully. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know they are done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Enjoy the aroma. Almost ready to enjoy your homemade brownie cupcakes. Once they are out of the oven, let them cool in the muffin tin for about 10 minutes. This helps them set and makes them easier to handle. After 10 minutes, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. If you're feeling extra indulgent, frost them with your favorite buttercream or a rich ganache. These delightful treats are perfect for parties, a cozy evening, or simply as a sweet snack. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.